Before Cassini could begin unraveling the mysteries of Saturn, it had to conquer the most complex part of any mission: getting there. Launched on October 15, 1997, Cassini embarked on one of the most extraordinary interplanetary journeys ever attempted, traveling over 7 billion kilometers through the solar system to reach its final destination. But Cassini didn't take a direct path. That would have required far more fuel than any rocket could carry. Instead, mission engineers used the clever technique known as gravity assist, slingshotting the spacecraft around other planets to gain speed. It's like using the motion of a moving train to give a push to a skateboarder, except it's happening on a cosmic scale. First stop, Venus. In 1998 and again in 1999, Cassini skimmed past the scorching planet, using its gravitational pull to boost speed without burning additional fuel. The maneuver was delicate. Cassini had to pass within thousands of kilometers of Venus's surface, threading the needle between safety and catastrophe. Next, it looped around Earth. In a poetic twist, Cassini returned to its home planet for one last farewell. On August 18, 1999, Earth's gravity flung Cassini toward the outer solar system. From space, it captured breathtaking images of our pale blue world, already becoming a distant memory on its journey. But even then, Cassini wasn't done accelerating. A final slingshot around Jupiter in 2000 pushed it to Saturn-bound velocity. Along the way, the spacecraft took detailed images of Jupiter's Great Red Spot, auroras dancing near the poles, and even its swirling atmospheric bands, offering science a preview of the kinds of wonders it would later observe at Saturn. By the time Cassini reached Saturn in 2004, it had traveled for nearly 7 years. It was a voyage of precision, patience, and perseverance, planned down to the second, with each maneuver calculated years in advance. The whole journey was a testament to the genius of the scientists and engineers who orchestrated it. But Cassini wasn't traveling alone. Tucked inside was the Huygens probe, developed by the European Space Agency. Its mission was to land on Titan, Saturn's enigmatic moon. Cassini would deliver Huygens to Titan's orbit, and from there, a second chapter of exploration would begin, a tale we'll dive into very soon. What's incredible is how this entire journey, from launch to orbit insertion, went almost perfectly. In a domain where small errors can mean total failure, Cassini's voyage was a model of interplanetary navigation. It's no exaggeration to say that before it even arrived at Saturn, Cassini had already made history. The spacecraft endured cosmic radiation, temperature extremes, and sheer vastness, all while hurtling at tens of thousands of kilometers per hour. Its systems remained operational. Its instruments stayed calibrated, and its mission clock never missed a beat. And when it finally approached Saturn on July 1, 2004, Cassini performed a daring engine burn to slow down enough to be captured by the planet's gravity. The gamble paid off. The spacecraft entered orbit and sent back its first up-close images of Saturn's majestic rings, and from that moment, the mission truly began. Stay with infinity beyond as we continue Cassini's journey. Next, we'll descend with the Huygens probe onto Titan and witness the first ever landing on a moon in the outer solar system.